Okay, so in our previous class we learn about loops, right? In loops we have two types. Can you tell me what are the two types we have?
Ma'am, we have while loop and for loop.
Yes, we have while loop and for loop. Okay, so and we did some examples using both for loops and while loops. Yeah, Husna, can you tell me when in for loop we use range? What this range? What is this? Yeah, Husna, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
In for loop we use range also, right? What is range?
Yes.
Okay, Umar, can you tell me what is range?
What range, ma'am?
Yeah, in for loop and while loop we use range, right? I will show you that
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Yeah, in range we give some number. So if we are
Yes.
giving like range 5 means the numbers starts from 0 to till 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that is why we give range. Okay, so let's start our today's class. In our today's class we are going to see this break and continue. What is break and continue? Like in whenever you are using loops, suppose at some position at some point you want to break this loop, you want to finish this loop. So what is break? Break in Python, break equals to stop loop immediately. When Python sees break, it jumps out of the loop. No more repeating. Okay. So example for I in range, I am giving for I in range 1 comma 10. So I will be in range this 1 comma 10 means it starts from 1 to till 10. And if I am giving one condition here, if I equals to 5, I am just like finishing this loop. I am just going out of this loop. So I will show you how it will work. See, it will give you the output like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it is not giving you 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Because here I am giving one condition. If I equals to 5, just break this loop. Just go out of it. Okay. So I will show you in code. Going to program is, yeah. See, here I am giving for I in range, and here I am giving range. You can give any range like, but I want to start it from 1. So 1 comma like if I am giving 11 means it will take numbers from 1 to till 10. Okay. If I am giving just 10 like this, it will take number from 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 9, sorry, 1 to 9. Okay, so now I want to take the numbers from 1 to like a 10, so that is why I am giving 1 to 1 comma 11. So for I in range, now I am giving one condition. For I in range, I am just showing if I equals to 5. Okay, then I want to break this loop. Okay, so now after it, like suppose you want to print this one, this I as well, so you can print it here. Yeah, you can print here as well. Print I. So let me run this code. See, it is showing you 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Why it is not showing you 5? Because of this condition I am giving. If I equal to 5, I am breaking this loop. I am just going out of this. So that is why it is not executing that 5, 6, 7. It will check one by one. Now initially your I is 1. It will check if I 1 equals to 5 or not. No, it is not equal to. So now normally it is showing you the 1 value. Now in next second loop, second case, now I becomes 2. Here still the I 2 is not equal to 5. So it is showing you 2. Similarly it is going like this. Now it is matching 5 equal to 5. When it same, like it matches this condition, because of this break keyword, it ends the complete loop. Getting my point? Why we use this break? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, Usna, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, similarly we have continue also. What is continue? Continue is like we are just skipping that particular number. If I equals to 3, if I am giving after this inside it we are giving continue, what it will do, it will just skip this 3 and it will continue the remaining loop. So just see this one, instead of giving this break I am giving continue here. See 1 2 3 4 and it is not showing you the 5. Instead of showing you the 5 it is showing you 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the difference between your break and continue. Continue means it will skip that particular number only, but when you are using break it will completely go out of that loop, it completely break that loop. Okay, any doubt in this? Continue and break.
Ma'am, will you explain that break again, ma'am?
Break, yeah, sure. See, in continue how it is working, it is just skipping this 5 number 5. See, it is not showing the fifth number, but when I am using break here, when it reaches this 5 number it will completely end this loop. Instead of just skipping it will end it here. Just see this. Okay, now any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So just see this, what we have next. So we are going to create a simple game. So in this game we are giving some secret number. So I'm keeping the secret number as 7. So I'm giving 3 trials to my user. For I in range, guess, I am asking some input from my user. So guess int input. We know why we use this int input. We want to convert our input to integer. So that is why I am giving int here. Input why we give, we want to take some input from our user. So that is why I am giving input. Now I am giving one condition here. If guess equals to whatever the number given by your user, it will be stored inside this variable, that is your guess, right? If the number given by your user guess is equal to whatever the number you set, that is secret, is it matched or not? If it is same, I am giving correct. Okay, here I am breaking my loop. If it is matched, then why should I do this again and again, right? So if it is matched, I'm just breaking my loop, else out of tries. So I will show you now. Yeah, just see this one. So first of all I am giving my secret number. Secret equals to, suppose I am giving 7. So now here I am using the loop for I in range, and inside this range I am giving 3. Okay, so now whenever this loop runs, I want to take some input from my user. So I am taking guess equals to int input, and inside this input I am asking some input from my user, guess number. Okay, so I'm taking the input like this. So after it I am giving one condition here. If guess equal to secret. Okay, suppose here secret is 7. Inside this secret variable I give 7, right? So suppose if user enters something like 7 only, these two conditions are matched, right? These two conditions are matched. If it is matched, so inside this I am giving inside this I am giving print your guess is correct. Your guess is correct. Okay, if it is correct, why should I run this again, right? If this answer is correct, why should I show this, why should I ask for the user once again? So here I am breaking my loop. Okay, suppose in any situation, like if it is not matched, suppose your secret is 7, right? Your secret is 7 and you are guessing, the number guessed by your user is suppose 5. This is not matched, right? This is not matched, so it will not go inside this condition, it will not break it, and once again it will ask for the guessing the number from your user. Getting my point till here? Any doubt? Any doubt till here? Yeah, Umar.
Ma'am, why you have written that For I in range 3.
Yeah, I want to ask for the input 3 times from my user.
Okay.
Okay, I want to see if suppose in one first time if user give me the wrong answer, so I want to ask for the second time also. Suppose in passwords we give 3 chances, right?
Yes.
Similarly, for guessing our secret number also we are giving 3 chances to our user. If you are writing like 5 means you are giving 5 chances to your user. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and after this suppose here I am giving else condition also. Why I am giving this else condition? Because if suppose 3 chances are completed, still your user are not able to find the secret number, so I can show you are out of tries. You are out of tries. So just see this one how it is working. I'm running this code. Yeah, guess your number. Suppose I'm giving 5. So when I am entering 5 and when I enter this 5, it will go inside this condition, inside this if condition. It will try to check it here. Is this 5 equal to 7 or not? No, it is not true. So instead of going inside it, it will go again in second loop. Now your I becomes 2, right? So now I'm entering this one. So see this one of my condition, one of my like a you can say like a chance is finished, one chance is finished. So suppose again I am giving like 4, again it will ask for the guess number. 2 chances are finished, so again I am giving wrong secret number. 3 I am giving. See, you are out of tries. Okay, yeah. So just see this one. Now suppose in first chance I am giving 6, this is not correct, so your loop goes back and it is asking for the guess number. Now I am giving 7. See, your guess is correct. How it is working? It is matching here, this condition becomes true, so inside this print it is showing you your guess is correct and it is breaking this loop. Okay, any doubt now? Should I explain?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, Husna, you have any doubts?
Uh, Instead of int, we can use other data types.
Yeah, you can use it like instead of giving a secret like only 7, you can give like any name. Python, I'm giving my secret key as Python. So guess number, instead of guess number, guess secret word. Okay, so in this scenario your secret word is string, right? So if it
Yes.
is string, you can just normally ask for the input. Okay, guess secret word.
Yes.
If guess whatever the guess you give and this secret is match, if it will give you, you guess your guess is correct. Okay, now try to run this. So just see this one. Yeah, we have to remove this bracket also. So I'm giving Python here. So suppose it is like a case sensitive also. Suppose instead of giving capital P, I'm just giving small p. See, still it will ask you. Why? Because here I give in P in capital letters. So I'm giving now the properly. Yeah, first of all I have to remove it. Yeah, see, your guess is correct. Okay. So whatever
Okay.
the secret key or what you want to give, you can give. Based on that, you have to give it here. If you are giving only the number, you have to use int here. If you are asking for like a decimal number, you have to use float here. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So yeah, Umar, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So yeah, this is your functions. Before starting these functions, I want you guys to do this, to create this game, guessing a number.
Okay, ma'am. अब हमारा तेरे से पहले कर लेता हूँ
Yes, guys, you are done with your code?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay.
Over, ma'am.
Okay, Omar, just share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now.
This
Okay,
one,
promise.
ma'am.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Yes, Usna.
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, just take more 2 minutes. Then we will start new topic. Okay, it's up to your creativity. You can give like some conditions also. If you are asking for a number, like a secret number, my screen is visible, right? Yeah, Omar, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's all up to your creativity. You can ask, you can give some like more conditions, like if this guess number is greater than secret number, you can give print your yeah, who's raised hand? Yeah, Umar.
Ma'am, it is showing error
Where?
in my code.
Yeah, just now your code is working fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now show me your output.
Okay, ma'am.
Share your code. You have tried many times. Okay, Umar. The issue is you are entering number, and in input you are just taking input, you have to give int input, right? Yes, now it will work. Okay, okay, your guess is correct. Okay, now it's working fine.
It is working, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Prashna, are you done with your code?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please share your screen.
Okay. 1 second, ma'am.
Okay, if there is any issue, you can share me your code later on. So let's start with functions. So I was talking about like my screen is visible. First of all, let me know.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Yeah. So like see in this guessing number game, you can give yeah, yeah. So in guessing number game, you can add some more creativity also. Like you can check if this guess number is greater than secret number or not. You can use comparison operator. If guess number is greater than secret number, you can give some hint. Like your guess is higher, you are giving some hint like this hint. And suppose if guess number is lower than the secret number, you can give some more hint like your guess is lower. Okay, so when I am running this code, suppose if I am giving like a 10 something, so now it will give me one hint your guess is higher, so I can understand. Okay, so I have to give some number below 10. So suppose I am giving suppose 6. So let's try this one. It is giving me hint like hint your guess is lower, so it might be 7. Okay, so it's up to all your creativity. You can use more operators, comparison operator also you can use. Okay, after this class try to do this one. Yeah, Usna, did you share your screen?
Yeah, ma'am. Sharing.
Okay, Usna, no worries. After this functions, just share your screen. Okay, now we are going to start learning about the functions. What is functions? Functions is nothing but it is just a block of code that perform a specific task whenever it is called. Okay, you are just creating something inside a block of code. Like it inside a box, you are writing something, and if you want to use it, you have to call it. Call it means you have to take its name. So a function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Whenever it is called, it takes input, does some work, and can return an output. So let's create a function. How can we create a function? To create a function, we have to use this def keyword. This is the keyword which is reserved in your Python. We have to give this def, and after it we can give any name. Like how we are giving name to our like variable, same way we can give names to our functions also. Same way you can give any kind of name, but you can't start with numbers. So I'm giving greet and I'm giving this brackets. So how we give colon in our if loop, same way we are giving colon, then we are giving some indentation here. So I'm writing something print hello kit. So it will not show you the output, it will show you the output whenever it is called. So I will show you how we can create a functions. So as I told you, first of all we have to take this def keyword, then I'm giving like a name of my function as greet. Okay, now after it we have to give this colon. So whatever the thing I am writing inside my function, to tell this thing we are giving some indentation here. So now I am telling print hello world. Okay, just see this one. When I am running this code, it is not working. See, it is not working. Why? Because I am not calling this function. See, I just create this function. I just created this function. I am not using it. To use this function, we have to call it. How can we call this function? We just have to take write its name and we have to give this brackets. Okay, now it will work. See, it is showing you hello world. So you can say like we can simply write this hello world without creating this function. We can normally use this print. Why we are creating especially a function? Okay, function can be used in many ways. Suppose you want to do addition, subtraction. Okay, suppose want to do addition like this. Like print. First of all, I'm creating one variable a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Now I want to do addition. I can give print a plus b. Okay, now it will show you addition. Same way, suppose I want to create addition with some different number. Okay, I want to do addition with some different number. So I want to repeat the code, right? I want to take some different variables like this. I have to take like c 20 or suppose d equals to 50 something, and I want to do print, and I have to do it like this c plus d. So now it will show you. So what we are doing is, suppose if again I want to add some numbers by taking some different numbers. Okay, so it becomes like we are doing same thing repeatedly, right? We are giving two numbers, it is adding the numbers, but for addition we have to create numbers and we have to write it multiple times. To overcome this issue, we use function. What we use function. In functions we are just defining the logic. Means we are telling it like this: def sum. I want to add number, like addition. I can say addition, yeah, addition, and inside it I am giving this colon, and here I can say print a plus b. Okay, I am saying a plus b. So now if I am calling this function, yeah, I am calling this function now addition. The name of my function is addition. So here I am calling this. See, I am not giving any number to this a plus b, right? We must have to give some number to this a plus b. So this is your argument and parameter. So I am giving 10 comma 20 something. So same thing you have to take it from here as well. So I'm giving like a 10 comma 20. So or you can take the input from your user as well. See, okay. So we can give any different yeah. Here we are using it as a plus b, right? So we have to give a comma b. See, okay, suppose now if you want to try it with different numbers, so instead of writing the whole thing multiple again, you just have to change the number from here. I am giving 100 now. I am giving 200 now. So it will now give me like 100 plus 200 is 300. Okay, so this is your like arguments. Whatever the actual values you are giving, we call this as argument, and this is your parameters. Okay, the name for it is parameters. So a will be assigned for 200 and b is for your 200. So this is how we are doing like a plus b. This is like a variables. A is your variable and b is your variable. This 100 and 200 is your values. How we create variables like this: a equals to 100, like this we create, right? So in function we are doing the same thing, but instead of writing a equals to 200 like this in a single line, we are passing it. We are giving 100 here and we are taking this 100 as a. Okay, so suppose you can do like a subtraction also you can do. So it will do like this: a, here a is 100 and b is 200. It will do 100 minus 200, that is your minus 100. See, okay, this is the benefit of using functions instead of writing like a same thing multiple times. If we want to if we want to change the numbers, we are doing like it like this. We have to do like change the variable names, create new variables, right? So but when we are using function, it is reducing our work. we just have to call it, right? So same thing, like I am giving 500 now. See, okay, you can do lot of things. See, if you want to take the input from your user also for this number, you can do it like a mini calculator you can create. So you can take the input from your user, number 1 equals to int input, enter number 1. So I am taking one input from my user. Okay, similarly I am creating one number 2 equals to int input, and I am giving like this, enter number 2. Okay, so instead of passing 500 and 200, these are your fixed values, right? So I will take the input from my user. So I, instead of passing this 500 and 200, I am giving as num1 comma num2. So now just see the output. See, it is asking me for the number 1. I am giving like 300. So then I am giving clicking enter, it is asking me for second number. I am giving 900. See, it is giving me minus 600. Okay, how it is working? First of all, it is going to this def addition. So it is sees there is some values are required, that is a comma b, and it goes here. So in this the num1 and num2 are required, so that is why it is asking for this num1 and num2. Okay, so this is the benefit of using this like a function. Using function, you are writing some like a code inside it, and whenever there is a like a use of it, you are just have to call it. So you can give like multiple things like inside it. I am giving addition of two numbers. Okay, and same way you can I'm calling this as a variable, right? Same way you can give, let's try with print subtraction. This is addition, right? So I have to change the sign. So subtraction of two numbers. So let's try this. Okay, I'm giving like 60, 80. Yeah, addition of two numbers is 140 and subtraction of two numbers is minus 20. So whatever the number you are giving, it is automatically doing all the addition and subtraction. Similarly, you can do for multiplication, division also. And even inside this functions, you can use if else conditions also. You can use loops also. Okay, so yeah, any doubt in this function? What is function? Yeah, Umar, can you tell me what is function?
Ma'am, in function we can create our own function. Like we are giving one function like def grid,
Yes.
and after when we call it will give us output, ma'am, when we call it.
Yes, when we call it, it will give the output. Okay, inside it we are giving this print, so it will is showing that particular thing from this print. Okay, so this is your function with max. See, we are passing some numbers a comma b, so we can do a plus b. So this is not like compulsory, you just have to give a plus b only. You can give anything, like it's up to you totally. Like you can give x plus y also, x comma y also, but same thing you have to use it here as well. This is your parameters, this is your variables, right? Same thing you have to, whatever the thing you are giving here, same thing you have to use here also. Okay, so yeah, it will also work same. So yeah, Husna, you have any doubts? Yes, Husna, you want to ask me anything, any
No.
doubts? Okay, yeah, function with input. See, just now we take some input from our user and showing based on that input. So you can ask for the name like something. This is just a normal function which is doing some addition, subtraction like this. So same way you can ask for the name equals to like enter your name, input, enter your name. So now I'm creating one function here for it. So def greet, and inside this grid I am taking like a name. Okay, we can use this later on. So now here I'm giving print hello, and here I'm taking giving whatever the name entered by my user. So name. So instead of giving this line here, I'm giving at the time of calling this function. So now here I'm giving def, instead of def I'm just giving greet. I'm calling this function now. So yeah, now let's see this one. It is asking me for this numbers 90. Yeah, enter your name. I'm giving my name as Fatima. See, so it is giving me one error, that is greet missing one. Yeah, we have to pass parameter argument, right? So we are passing argument here. Now it will work. Okay, so now I'm giving my name. See, hello Fatima. Okay, so you can give any kind of like a inputs. You can take any kind of inputs from your user, and based on that input you can pass it in your functions. Okay, why use function? It will save your time, right? First thing, it will save your time, and we are not writing the same thing again and again. Like if we want to do addition, we have to create the variables again and again. So but by using function we can just change the value. Because of it reuse, we can reuse the code. Okay, and like this, if we want to write this star line, so we are just creating a one function for it and we are just calling it. So I will show this one. I'm removing this one. Yeah, I will remove this one, so the above one you guys can do some practice on it. So I'm just creating a function for adding a star line. So here I'm giving like creating a one function def star line. Okay, now inside this I'm giving print, and here I'm giving this star symbols. Okay, so now I want to show this star lines. So suppose I want to show this star line here after this one. So I can do that one also, but I want to make it more simpler. So I'm just calling it here star line, and here I'm writing some text like print hello. And suppose I want to call this star line again, I can call it. Okay, suppose if I'm writing hi also, print like how are you. And now again I'm calling this star line. Okay, so what we are doing, I just create this star line only one time, but instead of writing it, see I also I want it. See, first of all I will show you after running this code. Okay, just see this one now. See, it is showing me this star line here, here and here. How it is showing me 3 times? Because I call this function 3 times. I just create it one time only. I just create it one time, but I call it multiple times. So this is means by your what, we are reusing it. We are just creating it one time and we are using it multiple times. This is the meaning of your reuse. Okay, it makes your work more easy, right? When you are, if you want to give a star line like this, you have to give this print here, here 3 times you have to write. So it makes your code more easy and you can reuse it, right? Any doubt in these functions now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just do some practice. Try to take some inputs from your user and do some addition, subtraction, and you can give multiplication also. And yeah, just do this one first. Yes, Umar. Are you done with your code?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Okay, yeah, please ask me.
Ma'am, will you show that code of def function?
Yes, here.
Ma'am. Ma'am, we are taking that addition num1 comma num2, but
Yeah.
that function is xy num.
Yeah, it's up to you. You can pass like a num1, num2 also. It will be fine. See, this is your values. Whatever the values you are passing, whatever the input you are taking from user, those variable names you are passing here. Okay, but at the time of taking it as a parameter means you are giving some name to your variables. So any name you can give. Either you can give num1, num2. It will be fine. It will work as same. See, this will also work. This x1 and x2 xy will also work, and this num1 num2 will also work. Why? Because this is the name of your variable. Any name you can give.
Okay.
See, now just see this one. It will also work. See, it is working. So it is just like you are creating variables, and like you are giving num1, and here inside this instead of giving value here, you are giving some variable name here. So any name you can give, no need to be confused. This is the name of your variable. Any name you can give. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Hasna, are you done with your code?
Having error, ma'am.
Okay, please share your screen. I will see it.
Okay.
Yeah. Addition. Okay. So whenever you create function, you have to give colon.
Okay.
Give colon after x comma y brackets. Yes. Now run your function. Okay. You missed something. Yeah. Where? Okay. In line number 9, when we create function, we have to give brackets. That parenthesis. Go in line number 9 and give brackets there before colon. Yeah. Now give colon. Now run it.
Okay.
Okay. Give some number. Just see it. Yes. See, it is working fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Umar. You are done with your code?
Doing.
Okay. Okay, Umar. Are you facing any issue? You are taking long time. Okay, yeah, now you are done with your code, right? So that's all for our today's class. In our next class, we are going to see this return keyword. Okay, like we use print. Till now, we use the print here, right? So, but we can use return also. Okay, in most of the programming languages, we use this return. Whenever you create functions, instead of just giving print here, we give return. So in our next class we will see why we give this return, what's the benefit of giving this return. Instead of giving this print, why we are giving this return, I will tell you this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So yeah, Umar, you are done with your code.
Ma'am, it is showing error.
Okay, just share your screen, I will see it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you are taking some emojis, so that's why it is taking time. So the error here is you are not giving double quotes whenever you are giving emojis. So you have to give double quotes inside the double quotes. Okay, at the
Ma'am,
end.
is it required for this also?
Yeah, it will consider this emojis also as a string. Okay, now try to run it.
Still, it is
Okay, so just for this
showing
one,
error.
you have not giving colon. So as I told you, when you create function, you have to give colon.
Uh,
Yeah, now run it. Yes. Okay. So
um,
yeah, it is working fine. You can call this this function, this starfish. You can call this multiple times. Okay. So yeah, my screen is visible. Yes. Yeah, so that's all for our today's class. We learn about functions, we learn about this guess number, we create this guess number game, this break and continue, right? So in our next class, I will tell you about this return keyword. See, in functions till now we are using this print, right? But we can use this return also. Okay, so I will tell you why we are using return instead of using print. We can use this return also. What's the benefit of it? And then after it, we are going to see variable scope, and after it we are going to see list. What is list? Like list is nothing but it's just like array, and array is like you can store multiple items in a single variable. Till now what we are doing, we can store a single name, single like a paragraph we can store. But if you want to store multiple items in a single variable, in that scenario we use list. Okay, so yeah, we are going to see this one in our next class. So you guys have any doubts?
okay, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, now you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to end our session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.